end of this year's restoration show at the NEC. A huge thank you actually to all our exhibitors. It's really hard work showing a car here. You've got to get it here, you've got to get yourself here every day. But we've had, you know, Rico, Lee and Chris who've been great, really good. Chris has even managed to do some work on his car, so that's particularly good. Yeah, they blasted the horns earlier than normal, hence it kind of went straight in for the horns going. But anyway, we look forward to seeing, we saw a few members of our club here this weekend, and we look forward to seeing many more of you throughout the summer, and hopefully we'll have a much better show year.